And that's when you know that what you're trying to manifest is working and it's on its way to you. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mary Kate, and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. If you're new here, my channel is all about law of attraction, manifesting, meditations, and more, so be sure to subscribe. We would love to have you. In today's video, I'm going to share with you specific signs that show you that what you're trying to manifest is working and it's on its way to you. How many times have you sat there wondering if what you're trying to manifest is on its way? How many times have you wondered if the universe heard you, or if you were specific enough, or if you need to keep following the steps and keep holding that feeling and keep wondering if what you're doing is even working? How do you know that your manifesting process is working? And how do you know that what you're trying to create is on its way to you? So many people get confused when practicing the law of attraction because there are so many different resources, and I feel like everybody finds a different way into manifesting and using the law of attraction. I always say that manifesting is such a personal process. So while the concepts are all universal and while the concepts are all the same, how you apply them is going to be different for each person. So however long you need to hold a feeling for it to manifest in your life is going to be different than somebody else's. When you need to surrender, how long that takes isn't a set time for every single person. This is honestly what I teach inside one of my digital courses called Abundance Academy. Inside Abundance Academy, you learn how to manifest based on your unique learning type and your personality. Because what works for one person might not work for you. And I find so many people start struggling with the law of attraction because they're trying to apply principles that don't resonate with them. And if it doesn't resonate with you, you're not going to be able to attract it into your life because it's all about energy and feelings. And energy and feelings don't lie. You can't fake it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you specific signs that what you're trying to manifest is working and it's on its way to you. So you won't have to sit there wondering if what you're doing is working. When you see these signs, you know it's working and you know it's on the way. But before we jump into today's video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, that little button right down there. It helps this video reach more people and it really helps out my channel, and I love making these videos for you. So just take a second and do that, and let's jump right in. So the first sign I want to share with you is one that I get messaged about all the time because it freaks a lot of people out. So what the first sign that what you're trying to manifest is working and it's on its way to you is things start feeling like they're falling apart. Maybe you go through a breakup, maybe you lose a job, maybe you really wanted something and it went the other way, like you didn't get the job you wanted, or you didn't get the boyfriend you wanted, or you went on a bad date. Just something feels like it's falling apart. And I think a lot of people get really freaked out about it because they think that, using the law of attraction is starting to create this negative thing in their life. So I want to clarify something because I get a lot of messages about this too. The law of attraction isn't some dark magic. You can still be religious and use the law of attraction to manifest what you want. It doesn't have to be this battle between the two, and you don't have to choose. You can still believe in God and manifest the things you want. It's not an opposition. You can have both. But when this starts happening in people's life, when things start feeling like they're falling apart and you're really trying to manifest something, so many people give up and get discouraged and think that it's not working, and they get frustrated and then they just give up. But there are a few reasons that things start falling apart whenever you're trying to manifest something. But this is a sign that what you're manifesting is on its way, so don't give up. So here's how it works. When you're manifesting and using the law of attraction, it's about energy, frequency, what you expect. It's literally just energetic shifts to be able to attract new things into your life. So if you go through a breakup, if you lose a job, if something like that happens, it's not because you did anything wrong. It's because the universe is rearranging the situations and circumstances to support what you're trying to manifest coming into your life. So maybe that person had to be out of your life to make room energetically for that thing that you're trying to manifest to come into your life. And you will drive yourself crazy if you sit there trying to analyze every single thing and wonder why and trying to learn the lessons right away, because most of the lessons you learn are in hindsight. Everything teaches you a lesson because everything is contrast. You learn what you do want from experiencing what you don't want. That's a whole nother lesson. But what I'm saying is when things are falling apart, keep the faith, keep trusting that it's all being arranged for your higher good. Because when you come from that place of knowing that everything is always working out for you and holding the energy of what you intend to manifest without any doubt, without gripping or fear, when you can hold that energy, knowing that you are always supported and taken care of by God or by the universe or whatever higher power you believe in. See, it doesn't have to be religion versus law of attraction. still believe in God, still be supported. So whatever higher power, if you know that you are being fully supported and you know that you are holding the energy of what you intend to manifest, you can let go of that fear of things being moved around and shifted in your life because you know it's all working for your higher good. So when something happens like that, when you feel like you have a setback or something's not working or things feel like they're falling apart, try and look at the bigger picture and know that it's co-creation. You ask the universe, God, whoever, for guidance. You follow that guidance. And then behind the scenes, the universe, God, infinite power, rearranges all the situations and circumstances that are outside of your control. So you have to trust that process because you don't know what you don't know. I say that all the time. You don't know what you don't know. You don't know the best way for something to come into your life. You don't know the best way that you're supposed to manifest a specific thing. So many different people are always asking me to pick them lottery numbers, or they want to win the lottery this date, the publisher's clearinghouse, whatever. What if that's not the way you're supposed to manifest that money? Why does it have to be that way? Like why do you have to specify the way you want something to happen? That's controlling. That's trying to control the way something's happening. And that's not the way that you manifest things. You manifest things by getting into a place of ease and alignment and knowing that it's going to come to you and not worrying about the how. The how is not up to you. So release the how. Know that when things feel like they're falling apart, they're not, because everything is always working out in your favor. Try that affirmation. Everything is always working out in my favor. I'm always being supported. Find a way to affirm that you are always being taken care of and just hold the space for what you're trying to manifest and know it's all going to be okay, because it will. The next thing I want to talk about is seeing signs everywhere. I always like to say the universe is always communicating with us and it's up to us to listen. So what I like to do is whenever I'm trying to manifest a certain thing and I want to know if I'm on the right path, or if I want to know, have guidance for what I'm trying to manifest, make sure I'm doing the right things on my part, I ask the universe for a specific sign. This can be any kind of symbol that you want to choose. Some people choose butterflies, some people choose, a specific animal. The sky is the limit. Just pick a symbol that means something to you. It doesn't even have to mean anything to you. I like to say that my symbol is money. If I find money on the floor, I know I'm on the right path. So that's a fun one to play around with, but just pick a sign, ask the universe to show you that sign when you're on the right track, when you're following the right steps, when you're taking the right inspired action. Use that as a sign that what you want is on its way. Ask the universe for signs that what you want is on its way, and then be on the lookout for them. Don't put your blinders up. It is so easy to go through life with all of our technology, with our phones, our computers, the TV. There's so many distractions, so we all have our blinders up, but the universe is trying to communicate with us. If you think of it this way, it's so frustrating because I am sure that you've tried to manifest certain things and the universe has tried to deliver them to you and tried to give you answers and tried to give you guidance and tried to give you signs. But if you're not listening, you can't do your part. You can't follow that inspired action. You can't follow those signs. So keep your blinders off and look for those signs. Ask for a sign, follow it, be on the lookout for it, and just be connected to what it is that you want. And here is another sign that what you're trying to manifest is on its way to you. And this kind of goes hand in hand with the signs. So I'm not sure if you're aware, but there's something called angel numbers. Whenever you see a sequence of numbers, they're called angel numbers, and they all have different meanings. If you follow me on Instagram, I have been posting lately that all the time I am seeing the numbers 444. Every time I look at the clock, it's always 444 or 222 or 333. Those are like the angel numbers that I've been getting lately. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, you're going to want to do that. I post tons of law of attraction content, affirmations, inspiration, and so much more. So be sure to follow me at MK Magic Mindset. But what I've been posting on my Instagram lately is I've been taking screenshots every time I see the clock hit a certain triple number thing. And then what I do is I look up the angel numbers and then I post what it's about. And the crazy thing is that whenever I'm seeing constant angel numbers over and over again, the messages that I'm getting when I read through what these angel numbers mean, they're always correlated with the answers that I need in that moment. So if there's something, I'm questioning, or if there's something that I'm following, all of those angel numbers always confirm exactly what I need to know. So be on the lookout for those angel numbers. They are so powerful and they put together pieces of your manifesting journey. And the last sign I want to talk about is something that also boosts your ability to receive the things that you want. The last sign that what you're trying to manifest is on its way is feeling good. Whenever you feel good, you put yourself in the state of receiving. Whenever you can be in this place of relaxation is when you can be open to receive. So as much as possible, if you can live in that energy of just being relaxed and open and happy and aligned, and just that feeling, like I said in the first sign, of just trusting that everything is going to work out for you. If you can live that affirmation that everything works out for you, you are supported, and that things get to be easy for you, that's how you know that what you're trying to manifest is on its way. That's how you know that everything is going to work out. You don't have to keep wondering because you know. So being in that feeling not only affirms that what you want is on its way to you, but it's also the best way to be open to receive the things you want. So be on the lookout for signs that the universe is communicating with you and that what you want is on its way. Because when you do, you don't have to sit there wondering or frustrated or give up at the first sign that something didn't go exactly as planned. Because you are supported at all times. Always, always, always. So trust it and live in that energy. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also be sure to follow my Instagram at mkmagicmindset. And be sure to check out my website, mkmagicmindset.com. There I have tons of digital courses, resources, law of attraction tips, and so much more. So be sure to check it out, and I will see you in the next one.